Meal, this is where it's at. Yes, I did. Okay, today I'm going to make some green beans, some chicken rice, chicken flavored rice, and some fried chicken. Okay, but let me let you on a little bit of secret. You know what I'm saying? Let me let you in. Let me let you in, honey, because I did not make no chicken, nor did I make no rice. All right, let me give you a quick, simple, quick meal really quick. Okay, so what I did was I went to Kroger's. Yes, I did, and I got 2 cans of green beans, which I'm going to put those in a pot. I'm gonna put some butter, salt, and pepper in it, let it cook up for a little while, maybe about 5-10 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna throw that rice that I have, the packet rice. My husband didn't like it, but honey, it was good to me. That Uncle Ben's chicken seasoned rice, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, there's your rice. And then after that, I bought some store-bought fried chicken from Kroger's, and baby, it was on sale for $5.99. $6 for an 8-piece fried chicken. Honey, that is a steal. It's on sale. All you need to do is have your Kroger's card, and you are in there, baby. I mean, come on, you cannot beat the deal. And honey, I had a whole meal less than 10 minutes. I did. So why y'all sitting over there sleeping on Kroger's? Y'all better get over there and get y'all something. Get it. It's on sale. All you need is your All you need is your card. All you need is your Kroger's card, and it's gonna drop off. Okay. It's gonna go down to $6 for an 8-piece chicken. And I also got those Johnsonville sausages, beef sausages, for $2.99, and they're normally $6. Yeah. Clock that T. Go to Kroger's and get you some. Alright, now let me show you how this plate turned out, because baby, it turned out super freaking good. Alright, and let's see how this food turned out.